Oh. At the end of the day, this is the best thrift find I've ever had.
Welcome to the Goodwill outlet. Everything here is priced by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
Look at that. I'm gonna help her out. Oh God, all right. Who made this guy? 1989. Looks kind of cool. Oh, Layer Bear. Good morning. Here we are again. What we got over here? Anything? Got big old faceless Santa. Boom.
I haven't found much.
No?
Something to look at, that's about it.
Yeah. Did you come in yesterday?
No. I did not.
Be little bitty.
What? That one looks like a knockoff, but it's real. Yo, the alien plush. That's kind of funny. Oh, we got some big plushies. All right, she's about to open. Get it, Larry, get it. Birdo. Soccer.
Did you get it?
What?
The barn, the gold barn.
No.
Did you?
No, I didn't find anything. Big old cheese grater. What's that? Aerosmith. Pump. Ah, is that glass? That's glass.
It's chicken.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's chicken.
Be little bitty.
Should we get that one? Why is he yellow? We'll get it, whatever.
It's fried chicken. It's fried chicken.
There's another one.
I like fried chicken.
What
Cock.
is
It's a cock.
Dude, somebody paid a lot of money for that. Hello Fresh.
Found this in a pill bottle, and I think it's Coke.
Oh shit, snort it, let's find out.
Baby, think I'm a thug.
Bugler. Oh my gosh, what is this? I found another one.
I bet that's like a sewing machine.
No, it's a Polaroid.
Oh, right on.
Were you here the day that Larry found like 3 of these or 2 of them? Forget how to open it now. Pretty sure you just... There we go. Dang.
That's great condition.
That's a clean one too.
Yeah, it is.
Let's go. There's one of those. Let's go. There's another one. What's this? Oh my God. Get your legs down, boy.
One eternity later. You disgrace!
There you go.
Skeleton man.
I am on.
Here we come. Air supply.
I can't talk too long. I gotta poo.
Rat. Hey, nice. Thanks, man.
Oh, hi! It's you!
Okay. Ow.
All she wanna do is smoke that broccoli.
Ooh. That's a big old patch.
Never know.
That's cool. There it is. Hey.
My name is Jeff.
Boobies.
There you go. What's that say?
Red-footed.
You've always wanted some boobies, right?
You sedate me now.
That'd be crazy if that was signed. Is that signed? No way. Oh my God. Is it? It looks like it. Holy shit. I'm shook, man. I'm shook right now. It looks very similar. Yeah, so all these autos are very wild. Dude, my wife is gonna lose her shit. I wish there was like a COA or something on here. That's wild. Guys, I think I had my best find I've ever found here. No bullshit. I'm pretty sure this is a real Taylor Swift autograph.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Dang, very cool.
Find the credit place.
Let's go. Watch, it'll be fake. But it looks really good. Like,
You could Google that.
yeah, there's a few on eBay and it looks very, very similar.
Good find.
Holy shit, guys. All right, I gotta get out of here. Oh.
Come in, we're clean.
Oh shit. Sorry, we're dirty. All right, so I'm still a little shook about the Taylor Swift autograph CD. I'm just blown away that was laying there on the belts. Like, I did some research on it, and it looks like it is legit. But I'm still gonna probably send it in and get it authenticated. But it looks like on Terapeak the thing sells for $500 to $1,000. So at the end of the day, this is the best thrift find I've ever had, and I am blown away. I'm shook. I spent a total of $15.97 in there, and I mean, I had a good day before I even found this. So I'm just shook. Just crazy luck. Just I don't know. February is crazy, right? February is insane. I'm having great luck over there in February, and I'm gonna show a couple other things I got. I got one of these old Polaroid cameras. I picked up a couple of these not too long ago, but these are good for like almost $100. And this one's in pretty good condition. I don't know if this has been replaced. It looks a little too nice to be original, so I'm gonna have to look into that some more. But that's a good find. This Apple TV remote, that's like $30. I think I've sold this GeoTrack before. It's probably like 30, 35 bucks. And of course I got the One Direction little coin pouch. But let's get into the Taylor Swift thing. So from my research, Taylor Swift went on a tour with the Rascal Flatts, and these were available for sale. She probably sold these other places too, but it's signed Taylor with a heart. There's quite a few of these that are sold or are on eBay at the moment. Not a lot, but everybody's asking crazy money, over $1,000. And I don't know, like, I feel like I should get it authenticated, but at the same time, people are selling them without getting them authenticated. So I really don't know what to do. I'd like to get it authenticated just because. I don't know. Do we think that this signature is going to be more valuable in the future? Or is she as big as she's going to get? I mean, she's one of the biggest stars in the world at this moment in time. And is that ever going to change? I don't know. I don't think so. I think she's always going to be popular her whole life. So should I like get it grade? Like, can you even grade something like this? I'm not sure, but at least get it authenticated and like slabbed and hold on to it, or should I just sell it now? I really don't know. But what a crazy find. Like, I cannot believe, and of course it had a bootleg, I think it was like Little Bow Wow CD inside of it. Like, of course it had the CD missing, but I have the CD somewhere, so I might put that CD in here. But I'm just speechless. I'm speechless about today. I was not expecting, you never expect to find something this crazy over at the bins. And when it happens, I'm shook. I'm shook. And what a day. What a day at the bins. But until next time, guys, as always, take care. Listen to some T Swift and keep the thrift alive.